Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing a case for all of you iPhone 11 users out there. Of course, now with Apple actually designing their 11 series with so many colorful options, you probably don't want to hide that behind a case, right? But at the same time, you also want to protect your investment. That's where a good case like this one that I have today comes in. Now let's just quickly go ahead and unbox this. Now this is an Amozo.in case, and it's super minimal. It's not really designed to be flashy. It serves two main purposes. The main purpose for this case is of course to protect your iPhone 11 and also make sure that you're able to flaunt all of the wonderful colors that you may have decided to buy your iPhone 11 in. So it's a transparent back cover. There's of course a protective shield on here, which I'm just gonna, well, I'm not gonna take that off right now. Once I've put my phone in here, then probably then. So it's basically got a rubberized bumper on each side, and there's no air pockets, but that's all right. The buttons feel nice and sturdy. Of course, once the iPhone sits in here, then it's gonna look proper. The back is plastic and will probably scratch easily over a period of time, but that's normal. And what you will get is every time you pull your iPhone out of the case, at least the iPhone is going to be protected. We do recommend that every few weeks you should probably take your iPhone out, clean the phone, clean the case, because dust tends to still get in, and some kinds of dust can be very, very abrasive to glass. So overall, this is the Amozo.in case. It's pretty handy. It's really nice, minimal, and it will probably get the job done just as well as any other case that may be bulkier or heavier. And of course, this lets you show off all of the fancy colors that you get on the iPhone 11. So thank you guys for watching this video.